Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications. In this video, I am going to talk about the facial sheet mask. Nowadays facial sheet masks are everywhere, literally everywhere. I mean to say that those are super popular nowadays. Still, some people are confused a little bit that what is exactly the sheet mask is, what is the difference between the normal face mask and the sheet mask, and how to use it. So you will get all the question answers in this video. I'll show you how to use it in step by step. So stay tuned till the last and I'll show you everything. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. The sheet mask is basically saturated with serum, which is designed to deliver the hydration to your skin. It can also be targeting some particular skincare concerns like dullness, roughness or wrinkles. Traditional face masks are typically designed to cleanse, exfoliate and purify your skin, whereas those face masks provides you the hydration and brighten your skin or gives you the glow. So I have tried lots of face sheet masks which are from the Sugar Cosmetics, Kaya Youth or Diva Masking or Face Shop and some Korean ones as well, but I forgot the names of the Korean ones. Okay, and all have done good for my skin. It falls under the same price range. So yeah, so for today I am going to use this sheet mask and I'll show you in step by step how to use it.
At first, clean your face properly with any face wash and make sure your hands are also clean. After that, you can use a toner to hydrate your skin. Now massage the sheet mask before opening it, which will allow your sheet mask to absorb all the goodness. Don't throw the leftover serum. A sheet mask is basically a fabric or paper or a gel sheet which is shaped like a face. It has cutouts for your eyes, nose and lips. Make sure the whole sheet mask is touching your skin, including your chin. Massage your neck and hands with the serum to get the goodness. Now wait for 15 to 20 minutes and take rest, but don't go to sleep. Throw the sheet mask once you use it, but don't wash your face. At last, take the leftover essence on your palm and use it on your face, neck, hands, anywhere you feel like to moisturize. The most important thing is to get 100% result, gently massage your face so that your skin will soak up all the goodness. Don't be harsh to your skin or rub it. So that's all. Now you can see a glow on my face.
The most fun thing which I find for this sheet mask that you will get so many variants. You can use something new every day, whatever your face will feel like for that particular day. So it's good, and no matter how great it is for use, but one thing which pinches me a little I can say, that the price is too high comparing to the typical face mask, because with the same price or with the same money you can get one face mask which you can use for several times, but here this product is for one time use. Yeah, otherwise this product is quite good. as it has provided me the hydration and the glow on my face. So yes, I'll definitely try more face mask, and obviously I'll refer you to try it out if you have not tried it till now. The last thing I want to say, here you can see so many face masks on my hand from Diva Masking, and those I bought from Smytten app. So if you want to buy from Smytten app, I'll share the link below, and I'll share my code as well, because in the Smytten, if you will buy 3 products, then you will get the another 3 as a gift. That's all for this video. I'll meet you in my next video. As of now, bye bye.